Look at the vibration dampening on channel 4.
It's within tolerance, but monitor the exhaust pressure.
We have a data spike on the starboard side.
Manifest confirms the TP400D6 lot.
RFID matches. Moving to secure storage now.
Keep it steady on the right, we're approaching the cutoff point. Copy that, adjusting speed now.
Here we analyze the pre-impregnated carbon fiber.
The thermal signature is nominal across the entire surface.
Confirmed. Route to process B. The cryogenic stabilization, or Process A, is essential for the TP400D6 fuel components.
All targets are green. Process B calibration is complete.
Sub-millimeter tolerances confirmed across the wing box.
Alignment confirmed. We have sub-millimeter precision. Proceeding to the bolt sequence for Process A.
With the nacelle now fully enveloping the core, the precision guidance system has achieved final alignment.
Alignment is steady. Check the mechanism.
Visual check confirmed. Sequence complete.
Hydraulic line secured. Scan check.
Telemetry bank 3 clear.
Fuel primary attached. Verifying pressure in 5.
Stable power curve confirmed.
The engine is operating within parameters.
Confirmed lift initiated. Pressure steady.
Checklist is green, moving to the cradle.
Slow and controlled, watch your starboard side. With the breakdown complete, these complex tools are inspected before the factory shifts focus entirely to the next phase.
Okay, bring it down 5 millimeters on the starboard side.
5 millimeters, adjusting now.
The massive upper composite panel of the A400M Atlas wing is slowly lowered. The cranes with move.
Scan complete. Gap tolerance is reading 4.2 millimeters.
Remez, check the trailing edge alignment on your side.
Looks good, well within limits.
Control, this is A400M Tau approaching zone 5.
Copy that. Pathway clear. Proceed to booth.
The finalized Process B product, the A400M wing, awaits the TP400D6 engine.
The overhead crane attaches the lifting gear and slowly lifts the massive TP400 engine.
Integration complete on this side.
Confirmed. We are green across the board.
As the sensors verify the hydraulic actuators, the massive propeller blades smoothly change their angle of attack.
Hold it there, we need to secure the front strap.
Okay, secure on this side.
All right, clear to move forward slowly.